concept of time you wasted from me. I don't do things in order. I don't wanna know if you're playing me, keep it on low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. If you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to yet another YouTube video. My hair looks bad anyway. So in today's video, we're not even supposed to be vlogging today, but circumstances has forced us to do that. So I just realized that, I've been promising you guys makeup content, and I've not done anything in February. It's like 2 weeks in. Reason being is I was waiting till I bought like the legit makeup products, because I'm a siwadanganyi. I'm a Dubois girl. Any day, anytime. But now I want to when you want to move into another level, if I want to attract these brand partnerships, they won't just come to me. I have to do something to attract them. Yeah, so basically we are changing our line and we are going to for the first time get original makeup. Not everything, just videos also, please. Sijafika your level, makeup is like 1 million. Yeah, so I'm going to some stores to buy one things here and there. Then I want to take you with me to those stores so that you see where they are. Then after that, I go and look for nini za kushukwa, because I'm supposed to do my hair tomorrow. My week is very tight. Aki gosh. Being a student, you're in 4th year, it's just a lot of work. Assignments, you don't even have time for your personal self. Yeah. So, I know today I'm supposed to have gone to church. Yeah, I know. Don't judge me, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm just not okay there in that direction. But we'll be good. We'll be okay soon. Yeah. So I want to go. Then I come back to my house in the evening. I think we're supposed to go somewhere with my friends, but I'm not sure about that also. But yeah. So right now I want to leave. I go run up and down in town. Errands in town are so hectic. I should have gone yesterday. But then finances came in a bit late. So let me head out. Actually, my hair is bad, but anyway, nipitie kwanza kwa msichana wangu wa eyebrows, parongaya ninyoe. Ndio niende town before washinde anti-eyebrows. No thank you. Okay, why do I look so chubby? Niko 4th year kabla ya kukonda nanona. My mother will ask me such a question. Anyway, let's go. Just bought my foundations. So nimeendea foundations on shop ya Maybelline, powders, nikakuja kubaya Packets Cosmetics in the Towers 50. So that I don't have time to run yellow anyways. Finally, nimerudi from town and I am exhausted. Gosh. So let me show you the things I got. Do not mind the way my eyebrows are looking. Nilienda kunyolewa eyebrows tukarealize ule msichana alininyoa eyebrows time ya birthday alifieka eyebrows zangu. So zinamea zikiwa vibaya, so we just had to finish everything. Tungoje zianze kumea fresh. So mkianza kuona nachora eyebrows sana for the next 2-3 weeks, mind your business. Let me show you the things I got in town. Okay, so these are the things I got in town. So there's this eyeshadow. I know I have like 2 big eyeshadows, but I needed a new one because of this. You see this? This shimmers. Yeah, the other palettes don't have that. I got this at 500 bob. Dubois. It's called Dubois Beauty Center, shop F49. At that same shop, uko niliona dem mwingine wa TikTok alitu plug. So and then nikapata this set of earrings. Yeah, she sells moja. Easy set ni 400, but if you buy more than 3 sets, inauzwa bei ya wholesale plus 350 bob. Almost the same as I would have gotten them on Instagram. And then, hey, karatasi imeharibika. Like, so the main thing that took me to town, oops, foundation by Maybelline. So I wanted to buy, hata sitaki kuangalia bei, naweza cheesy. Hey, foundation ni tax ni 230. Chatu ni nyamaze. So yeah, I wanted a bigger one, but this is what I got. So ile ya Superstay shade yangu nilikuwa na mixio kwa hiyo duka hawako wanapata. So this one for Fit Me is where nikapata shade yangu, but this is not even also my shade kabisa. It's a bit iko na lightness undertones zenye sipendi. Siku moja nitafika bei ya kununua Fenty na MAC because hizo ziko na shades zangu, very nice ones. Yeah, but next time I'm going to go get Superstay and also a Lega. Like I want to try out all these foundations. I love it. And also because like I need to buy like legit powder, so I also went to Ken's Cosmetics and got this illegal powder. This one was what? 850. Yeah, high definition matte pressed powder. Yeah, I'm about to do a full look right now and show you those things. Then I got these lashes at so some shop in Dubai. Yeah, because I needed new lashes. Jacinta told me, my workmate, man, I never shanga lashes. And I'm like, hey, actually these lashes in a beat. And I was just like, what? Madam, bora una shout. So I also got these ones, this concealer, Smuitu, the Dubois. Where I also got, what else? Where I got what? The lashes. This is ilikuwa so, but bei ya wholesale 70 bob. Yeah, you need to visit Dubois. So nikiwadanganya, hiyo tabia uko niko moches za Shago. So I was passing by hapo tu next to, I don't know which shop, but iko hapo second floor ya Dubois Beauty. Nikitoka nikaona shop ingine hapo na brushes zangu, as you know, ni marehemu. Niliziosha zikaharibika zimetoka na zote. So I had to get new brushes. So I don't like this color. I could have taken blue, but kwani ni color ndio inapaka rangi. Yeah, so this one nilibuy 500 set of 10. Na hizi sasa I had these ones in black. I think the ones you see me mostly using, so I got this one. But mtijani sikutafika bei. Nitakuwa na buy brushes za 1500, like just trust the process, guys. Then I realized mnashindanga mkiniona na vitambaa sana nikifanya makeup. So I decided to be a girl and buy these OMG headbands. Wewe forehead nayo na bad hairlines. This one was 300, but walinipea discount na shuku hadi 200. Yeah, I like blue. Blue is my favorite color, so I bought it in blue. Spendi pink. Nyi wasichana wote mko na pink. Nikabai eyeliner huko 100 bob. Yeah. Na hii concealer pia nimebuy huko. Sikumbuki bei, but I think ilikuwa so. Yeah. This black one because I use it a lot. Then the other things that took me to town, sasa niwaambie, I was looking for passion twists. Na mimi passion twists za nini isifiki bei. Passion twists za darling ni expensive. Sasa si mimi msichana yenu nikasema acha niende huko chini kunaitwa aje, karibu na River Road. There's a shop my friend told me inaitwa Best Cosmetics. Mlienda kwa TikTok yangu mtapata like now videos showing huko hizo places nilienda because I could not film a lot. So because nataka kushuka fashion twist. Last time we did twist but with guest girl. So this time nikasema instead of stressing myself just nitakosa, nikaenda huko chini nikapata hizi za sister, but unaona hizi za sister ni crochet. You see, so what I'm actually going to do with my girl mwenye atanishuka, tunazibomoa zote. Tukisha zibomoa, then hizo ndo tunatumia kushuka. Mimi si crochet anything kwa kichwa yangu. Yeah, cause I think itazitoa venye nataka. Yeah, so uko wanauza by the vitu za nywele wholesale mingi tena sana. So if you want to buy braids affordably, like anything tu ya kushukwa uende huko best man. Niko along Odeon huko chini tu, building ingine sijui inaitwa Gawa Cosmetics or something. Yeah, so I got this one pack is 530 na iko na piece, iko na nafaa kwa mingi bede packet. There's a problem, guys. There's a problem, I think so, because according to this packet it shows there should be 1 2 3 4 5 bundles in it, and nimepata bundles mbili. Thieves. But ni sawa, hizo zitatosha kichwa yangu, tukizibomoa zitatoshea. You see how they look at the highlights and sasa tukizibomoa zitakuwa refu. Yeah, I wanted this color but sikupata color nilikuwa nataka, so I just took this color, which is still okay. Like, yeah, so I guess that's half of today's vlog. So I want to go shower, nirudi ni shoot some 14 looks for Valentine's content for Instagram and TikTok. Alafu I'll get back to YouTube maybe jioni if I leave the house. I'm not so sure. My finances are now wanting. Oh my god, I need a sponsor. Nipe sugar daddy because I can't. Sijiwezi hata mimi mwenyewe, I can't manage myself. Yeah, so as I was telling you, yeah, nataka kuoga. Yeah, kuna jua, nilioga nikitoka kwa nyumba, yes, but joto iko huko nje, inabidi nioge tena. So nitarudi nikimaliza kupaka makeup, niwapigie story kidogo, story time with Ashley Young. Tukishamaliza story time, tukishamaliza story time, nini inafanyika? Hakuna hata. Haya. Bye guys. Hi guys. Makeup is done and I've used the new product. I'm kuniambia I was just sleeping on this. Like, there's a big difference on how my makeup looks. Like, you can compare in this video and you can compare in my other videos. Hey, see the eyes, face, I mean. So I'm nitafutia pesa ya Fenty, MAC, you know, manifesting all good makeup brands, but wow. Today everything is popping. Alafu lakini kuna joto. Yeah, I'm dying. Anyway, wacha tuchukue snaps cause.
Hey, it's me. I'm in a dilemma. I don't know if I should wear this, but this skirt is too short. Even though in a top my bum nicely, but nah, it's too short. It's not appropriate for ingekuwa tunaenda dunda salama salmini, but ini look tutakula siku ingine. Acha tuvae kitu ingine tuone. This is the other dress. It's kind of a backless. Not so sure. Yeah. This is dress number 2. Let's try on the third one. A long fight with all the clothes in my wardrobe. I decided to wear this lace dress. I bought it and I've only worn it like twice. So nani. Yeah, let me just wear this. It's not my birthday. Yeah.
Hi guys. I'm just here to finish yesterday's vlog. I'm sorry, but nilifika home late. So for the few pointers, and I just got my hair done. Yeah, so the few pointers I have if you're planning to go for that Valentine's date offer at Coffee Casa. 1, do not order the steak. Ni kidogo. Go with the curry. The chicken curry ni mingi na ni tamu. Enda na chicken curry with the option of rice or fries, but the rice one ni mingi. Kawe ni mtu unapenda portions, the rice one will do for you, but avoid the steak at all costs. Ni dry. And the mashed potatoes. Then for the desserts, just do the brownies with the ice cream. Yeah, those ones were good. Yeah, but overall we had a good time. And yesterday I got home in the morning. So that's a story for another day, but thank you for watching. By now you've come to the end of my video. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope I plugged you something nice. It's the season of love. You can share love with your family, your siblings, your parents, your loved ones, those who have boyfriends and girlfriends. Those of us who don't have, I'm giving you something you can do, and make a reservation. So they decorate your table with petals and everything cute. Yeah, but I guess that's all I had. So see you in my next video. Ensure you comment, share, and like. Thank you.